This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and on paper, it might be one of the most overpowered smartphones you can buy right now. Xiaomi says it's redefining mobile photography again. Bigger sensors, Leica tuning, absurd zoom. But after actually living with this phone, carrying it around, shooting photos, doom scrolling, and using it like a normal human, I found a few things the spec sheet doesn't warn you about. So the real question is this a true Galaxy and iPhone killer, or just another spec monster? Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Xiaomi's top-tier flagship, and it's aimed squarely at power users, especially people who care deeply about cameras, performance, and cutting-edge hardware. This sits at the very top of Xiaomi's lineup, competing directly with the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The big selling point here is simple: no compromises on hardware. You're getting Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon chip, a massive Leica-branded camera system, a high-end OLED display, and premium materials throughout. This is Xiaomi saying, we can do everything, and sometimes more than the big US brands. Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel day to day? Short answer, ridiculously fast. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon flagship chip, paired with plenty of RAM, and in real-world use, it's basically untouchable. I use this phone for everything: 4K video recording, photo editing, social media, gaming, navigation, and I never once felt it slow down. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, and even heavy games run at max settings without frame drops. Scrolling through feeds feels buttery, and animations are clean without that jitter you sometimes notice on less optimized Android skins. Thermal management is solid too. It does get warm under sustained loads like extended gaming or long video shoots, but never uncomfortably hot. Battery drain under performance-heavy tasks is reasonable, not miraculous, but predictable. Here's the thing, this phone doesn't just feel fast today, it feels future-proof. If you keep phones for 3 or 4 years, this level of performance actually matters. Features and tech. First, the display. You're getting a large, high-resolution LTPO OLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. In real life, that means scrolling feels incredibly smooth, while battery life stays efficient when you're just reading or watching videos. Brightness is excellent outdoors, and HDR content genuinely pops. Second, the camera system. This is the headline feature. Xiaomi is using a massive main sensor with Leica tuning, plus a serious periscope telephoto. Translation: photos have insane dynamic range, natural colors, and some of the best zoom performance you'll find on a phone. This is one of the few smartphones that can legitimately replace a compact camera for casual photographers. Third, fast charging. Xiaomi continues to embarrass the competition here. Wired charging is extremely fast. Wireless charging is faster than most phones' wired speeds, and yes, it actually changes how you use your phone. Top-ups become stress-free. Camera performance. Let's slow down and really talk about the cameras, because this is where Xiaomi is swinging hard. The main camera produces photos with a natural, almost DSLR-like look, thanks in part to Leica's color science. Skin tones look realistic, highlights are controlled, and low-light performance is excellent without turning night shots into oil paintings. The telephoto lens is the real star. Zooming in doesn't feel like a gimmick. It's usable, sharp, and consistent. You can grab photos of distant subjects without that crunchy AI overprocessed look. Video is strong too, stable, detailed, and finally competitive with Samsung and Apple. Is it perfect? Not quite. Xiaomi's camera app still has a lot going on, and beginners might feel overwhelmed. But if you like tweaking settings and shooting intentionally, this is one of the most rewarding camera phones out there. Design and build. Aesthetically, Xiaomi absolutely nailed it. The 15 Ultra feels seriously premium. You've got a metal frame, a textured glass or eco-leather back depending on the model, and a massive circular camera bump that screams this phone means business. In the hand, it's solid and hefty, no getting around that. This is not a small phone, and you'll feel it in your pocket, but the weight actually adds to the premium feel. Buttons are clicky, fit and finish are excellent, and it feels every bit like a flagship that costs over $1,000. Pros. Exceptional camera quality, especially zoom, gorgeous bright OLED display, Insanely fast wired and wireless charging. Cons: camera app can feel overwhelming, limited official availability in the US. Final verdict. So, who is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone tired of playing it safe with the same phones every year, this is an absolute no-brainer. You're getting top-tier performance, one of the best camera systems on any smartphone, and charging speeds that make everything else feel outdated. But if you care deeply about US carrier support, ecosystem features like iMessage or FaceTime, or you want something lighter and simpler, you may still be happier with an iPhone or Galaxy. For everyone else, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra proves that Android flagships can still be exciting. It's bold, powerful, and unapologetically overbuilt, and honestly, that's refreshing.